Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am Sean Evans from First We Feast. Of course, you know my friend Andrew Ray, aka Binging with Babish. And on your show, you recreate dishes from TV and movies, but I noticed that you have not touched the spice genre very often at all. Today, though, it's a different story.
Yeah.
What are we making today?
Today, we're making a burger from Dumb and Dumber, where they stop in Dante's Inferno, and they're with this sort of New York wisecracking mobster type, and he makes fun of them for, you know, being wimps about the spicy food. So while he's in the bathroom, they load up his burger with peppers. It attacks his ulcer, and he dies on the spot.
All right, well, I noticed we do have a lot of peppers. What else do we have here?
Well, we got some burger meat, we got some tomato, we got some onion, we got some lettuce, some ketchup, mustard, mayo, and we have our load of pickled peppers. Let's make it.
It's going down.
All right, cool.
Chop up an onion.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do some rings, you know. All right, nice and thin. So we have tomatoes and onions. Let's just chop up some of these peppers. Ooh, it's starting to get in my eyes.
Yep.
I'm in trouble later. Just gonna slice this up. We wanna be able to really load this up on the burger. Let's get some red in there, get a little color. Let's get one more red. Oh, these guys look nasty. I mean, that's gotta be really bad for you, right? Are you gonna eat one? Don't be crazy.
No, I've played with the devil before.
All right, that looks pretty hot and nasty right there. I think that's gonna light up this burger pretty good. I'm gonna put this on high, and well, I'll form the patty first here. And generally, if you're making patties like this, you ever make one like this and it sort of snowballs and blows up? Mm-hmm. The one way to combat that is to put a nice divot in the center with your thumb.
Get out in front of it a little bit.
Yeah, exactly. Salt on there.
A little pepper.
Okay, let's drop this in here.
Boom.
That's what you want to hear. Nothing's worse in this world than dropping a burger into a pan and hearing nothing.
Are you a guy that has it on time when you flip it? Are you looking at anything?
In this case, we can just sort of poke at it. We can see, you know, does it have a little bit of spring back to it, or is it starting to feel a little tough? With burgers, it's a little bit different than steak, but there's, you know, it all just takes a little bit of practice.
Dimple down.
There we go. Got a nice crust on there. You can see that, like, it's not turning into a softball. It's definitely shrinking in and moving up a little bit, but it's not turning into anything disgusting. All right, I'm gonna take this off. Let it rest up right there. Do you ever make grilled cheese with mayonnaise instead of butter?
No.
Wait till you see what happens here. It makes the most beautiful crust. There we go, yeah. All right, make sure those are nice and pressed down there. Give those a little toast, and then we're ready to assemble. How easy was that?
Easy peasy.
What do you like on your burger? Should we do mayo, mustard, ketchup?
Yeah, let's just run it through.
A little bit of mustard.
A little bit of ketchup.
We're putting a lot of care into a burger that's just gonna be like inedible. So as much as I prefer to put lettuce on the bottom,
We have to be true to the art.
we have to be true to our art. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of iceberg, a couple onions, a little tomato, and normally we just call it a day.
But this is no normal day.
But this is no normal day.
No
Right
normal
now,
day at all.
our mobster friend just went to the bathroom, so we're just gonna knock this off, load it
Look
up.
around.
We gotta really hide these under there, otherwise it's gonna know
Right, it's gonna be a giveaway.
that we're pranking him.
Evenly distribute so there's no place to hide. And now, our
No one is the
victim
wiser.
will be none the wiser.
All right, you wanna eat this?
Well, we're about to shoot hot ones. I think that that's like a really bad idea. Do you wanna?
No.
Can somebody get camera guy Bill? Hey, Bill, have you had lunch yet?
I have not, no.
Here, give this a
Free
try.
burger?
Free
We made you a
burger.
burger.
Burger?
Just
Hi,
for you,
Bill.
dude.
Nice
Hey,
to
man.
meet you.
Andrew, nice to meet you.
Really? Oh,
Yeah, so Andrew made you a burger.
it looks good.
Yeah, give it a try.
Okay. Got good weight to it.
Sign of a good burger.
Those are hot. Can I borrow those real quick?
Here's some mustard.
Oh, okay, yeah, we'll help you. Here you go, bud. Here we go. Open wide. There we go. There we go.
Oh, so hot. Uncle.
Good job.
You're welcome.
Oh.
All right. Feel better, okay?
All right.
That works. That's an accurate recreation, if you ask me.
Poor camera guy Bill. Well, there you have it. The Dumb and Dumber Spicy Burger as tested out by Burger Boy Bill, AKA camera guy Bill. Andrew, ready to eat some hot ones?
Let's do it, man.
Let's do it.
You're making me feel so much better about myself right now.
Something happened.
Oh no, did you touch your eyes?
I did. I caught some sauce in the eye.
Oh no. Let's take a 5-minute break.
Yeah.